Hello, ma'am. Hi,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Hi, Suhasi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine.
Um, what are you doing from these days?
I am just spending my time while doing Leena ma'am's drawings only.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm sitting here and waiting for the other students to join.
I am also waiting. There are only 3 participants, me, you, and Leena ma'am.
Yes, but actually there are 2 students, you and me. Leena ma'am is the teacher. Wow.
I also made one more drawing. Can I show you?
Okay.
See?
Wow. Beautiful.
Thank you.
I have lots of drawings that are beautiful.
Okay.
And this is not lipstick, but actually it's something else. Coming in.
Now the students are joining because they are
Do you know when my father's birthday had come, I had made this drawing. As
wow.
Leena ma'am told us the drawing for Mother's Day, and there were secret messages I have also done for the Father's Day.
Yeah, I did that of Mother's Day, and you made it of for your father, right?
There
How
are
many
lots of beautiful drawings, but I can't show because there are too much books.
Okay. I also have 2 more books with this book.
Do you know penguins?
What are you saying?
Do you know penguins?
Ma'am.
This is a mother penguin, a father penguin, and a baby penguin. अभी तो फिर यही है कि bits and pieces में चीजें बार-बार करनी पड़ेगी। मैम इसका तो ये एप्लीकेंट भर सकता है, पेशेंट चाहिए तो हम सही जाएगा। ये भर तो सकता है, लेकिन फिर एक अच्छा एप्लीकेशन तो यही होता है ना कि it was Father's Day, so then I'm a single child, and then I was starting us to do a children's drawing. So then I had made this one. What?
How many years old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
And I'm 7.
I'm 1 age bigger than you.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up if you can hear me. And today we are going to color it and I will continue the story. Last class, I finished my story here. And that Tia started soaring in sky and she was happy. She was having confidence now to fly up in the sky. Now, what happened after this? I will continue my story. Okay. So after listening story, if you want to continue your comic, you want to extend your comic, you can make further scenes of the comic. Okay. So have you all given outlines? I just want to check it and I will give full view as it is quite far. I will be covering it up. Okay. Yes. So, am I clearly audible now? Please show your thumbs up. Is my voice reaching? Okay, fine. So here I got a message that my voice is not clear. You please check your internet. It is Amaya. Amaya, you please check your internet, beta. And beautiful. I can see many of you have given outlines and even the dialogue balloons are filled. So I will wait and we will start immediately. And as this drawing contains 4 artworks, we are supposed to be little quick. Okay. Yes, you all will get recording. You will get recording in the chat box of our application. Okay. If you will see there, you will find a chat box in our application. So all the recordings of class, because we provide recording of every class to every child, you will find it there. Okay. So see, still 1 minute is there. And then, yes, it's 5 now. So without wasting time, I will start my work. Yes, Mishti, show the crown. Beautiful. And see this drawing continues. Okay. There are so many other scenes which if you want, you can create. So what happened afterwards, we will keep learning. Now, one more thing you're supposed to keep in mind while developing a comic. Like suppose this is Tia, this is Dia. So the color of Tia and Dia, you will not change in every scene. No. If you're making it pink, so it will remain pink here also, and here also. Because this is one single story which we are showing through scenes. Okay. So you will not change color of the characters. No, we don't need watercolors today. Okay, Laksha? We don't need watercolors. We will complete it with only plastic crayons. So keep your plastic crayons ready and then we will start with the work. Okay. After completing, you can write dialogues. And you can write dialogues in your own language, like in Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati, Kannada, Tamil, or any other, Bengali. You can write dialogues in your own language. Okay. See, all recordings are there in chat box. You just check a chat box of our application and you will find all the recordings of class there. Okay. Now, without delay, we will start. I will take yellow. I will take orange. Okay. And I will complete Dia. Okay. Let's complete Dia in all our drawings. Okay. So I'm going to use yellow and orange for making Dia. See here, this is Dia and this is Tia. You can try any color of your choice, but make sure the color you are using here will continue here also, another color for Tia, here also, and here also, and here also. Okay, so I will take yellow. And from where I will start? I will start from corner. Don't start your coloring from center. Start it from corner. Okay, Kashmi, you please tell her to send the message on Instagram of mine, and I will directly connect her to my technical team. Yes, in that case, OV, okay, OV, as this is your first class, so you are supposed to, you can do one thing, you can just see the class, how it is happening. Otherwise, next class, we are going to start with our new artwork. You can do two things. Either you can start with next class, or you just see and observe how we are doing colors. And with the help of recorded class of previous, because we provide recording of every class to every child. So you can see recording and draw this. And today's class, you will understand how to color. This phase you can cover up. Okay, otherwise you can drop this work and you can start with the fresh artwork, which we are going to learn next class. Because next class, we will be learning pencil shading. Okay, next class is pencil shading class, and you will be learning the drawing of, come on, guess, the drawing of, which is favorite of all of yours. Favorite of all of yours. It has magical power. Second clue, it has magical power. Third clue, it has one horn on head and colorful hair. It is the unicorn. Correct answer. We will be learning unicorn next class and pencil shading. Okay. The next class is going to be full of excitement. I will be giving you the list of material. Okay. Let's finish it quickly. Come on, because today's artwork is very challenging. So see, take yellow and never start your coloring from center. Always start your coloring from here. I will start with standing lines, small standing lines. See, I started from here. And repeat every stroke 4 times. Every stroke 4 times with no pressure. Don't pressurize your color, okay? With small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. I will complete my kite. You can try this. You can make this also, Dia. It's your choice, okay? I'm doing yellow. Standing lines, I started from corner and I'm going to do dark yellow, dark color in my kite. And tail I'm going to make with orange. See, again, I will start from corner. First we will erase extra lines that we did last class. Okay, yeah, the very important thing after giving outlines, erasing extra lines. Okay, we did it, I think. Okay, I will tell this that also, Sarah, but let's complete first. So I will take orange color and we'll start from here. So you will be simply holding your color as you hold your pencil. You will start from corner. Always start your coloring from corner. And as I explained earlier also, textures always add life to your work. So I want to add texture. I want to make stripes of orange color. Orange and yellow stripes in Diya. Okay, see, it will add a grace and different beauty to your work. Okay, I will make stripes. You can try any other design. You can try any other color. Okay, there is no foundation. You will be doing the same. And I will complete Diya in my complete artwork. All Diya kites I will complete. Okay, and then I will continue the story also when I will be giving wash. Okay, so let's complete yellow. So now in the scene number 2 also, Diya will be of yellow only. I will not change color. Okay. So this thing you're supposed to keep in mind. Okay, yellow. Kite you will be doing very dark. orange triangle, and orange stripes. Okay, this way. So, Diya is flying in sky, hold hand of Diya, and now leaving hand. Okay. So, whatever color you picked up for Diya, this side or this side, you will be doing the same everywhere. Okay. After this, we will be making sky. And that time I will continue my story because last class, the story was left incomplete. It's a big story. Okay. And the hand also with yellow. This hand also with yellow. Yes, we will be doing in kites. Okay. So first I'm doing Diya kite. Okay. And then I will pick up Tia kite. Or first we will make sky. And then we will continue. So see Diya in this third scene number 3. Yellow. You will be doing it very dark. You will not change direction while doing colors. And take orange and start making stripes. Okay. This is the pattern of our kite Diya. See. Okay, this way. So now here Tia is alone. So here we don't want. Come on, finish it. Can I check this? Huh? Will you show how it is looking? Very good. And I can see different colors like pink and blue and different colors you all picked up and it's really looking great. Here you are free with your color scheme. You can try any other color than this. Shabash, very good. Okay. Now, my second kite is going to be Tia. I will be using pink and dark pink color. These two colors I'm going to use. Okay, pink and dark pink. And I will start with Diya. Again, as I told you, I will start from corner. With standing lines, I will start. I will repeat every stroke 4 times. There will be no pressure. While moving and filling colors, no pressure on your color. But repeat every stroke 4 times. See, I'm repeating every stroke 4 times. Okay? Slowly, gently, without changing direction. You will continue coloring as I'm doing. And for Diya, I decided dotted. Okay? Dark pink dots in pink kite. Okay? This pattern I decided. Yes, mother. I will go slow. Okay? I will wait after doing pink. All of you do? Yes, and I will continue with my story. Sharanya, the recording is in the chat box, beta. Okay, chat box of our application. Yes, so when you will check there, na, you will find recording. Rihanna, if you didn't outline, beta, don't worry. You color to now, and after when the class will get over, then you give outlines. But make sure that upcoming class, you will give outlines before. Okay. Yes, you can start your new color. Those who have completed pink. Now I will take dark pink color and I will do this triangle part. Dark pink and light pink I'm going to do. And I want to show dots. Dots with dark pink all over. Okay, they will not make very prominent design, but dark pink dots will definitely add beauty to our work. Okay, so this ways I add dark pink dots. So Tia is light pink with dots of dark pink. Okay, and Dia is orange and yellow with stripes. You know, there are stripes. So now let's complete Tia in all our scenes. See, dots are very of the same color there. This is dark pink on light pink. You can use contrast. You can try with black also, brown also, blue also. I will be completing all kites. Start from here. Tia kite. Okay, now I'm doing in Tia kite. Go in standing lines. Okay. And in hands of Tia also, I will be doing pink. Okay, very slowly and carefully. No need to rush. And your kite should be very brightly colored. Okay, fill very bright colors in your kite. I will be doing pink color here. Okay, and see this ways. You can see. Pink kite is done. Pink and this. Continue doing. Okay, continue doing it. Yes. Wonderful, lovely. And I can see how beautifully and neatly you all have written dialogues also. Pink and purple will look great, Adya. You can try this. And pink purple is a great combination. So now I see number 3. I will complete here also. I will go for small strokes, one direction. Always start from corner. Always start your coloring from a corner. Yes, this drawing is having a story which is incomplete because last class I just shared the story till this scene, but this story does not finish here. It's a very long story and I will continue with my story. Yes, Vallishri. Show everyone. And I can see colorful kites in Myra's artwork, Shanaya's artworks. Beautiful. Great, very great work. Shabash. Fourth scene we will be doing and third first. So let's complete pink color. See, I'm repeating every stroke 4 times. See, small strokes, one direction and is repeating every stroke. I'm not changing direction. What students do, when they find limited space, they start changing direction. But this is wrong, okay? Always go in one direction. See, like this. Okay, standing lines. I will continue it here. Yes, Mishti, I've checked. It's very nicely done. This ways, I will be completing. Mahanya, you can draw it now. This is simply a kite. So if you missed your last class or because of any reason you are not able to draw that, you can draw it now. Okay, don't worry. So see here, I'm doing light pink color. Okay, standing lines, I will not change direction. If I have limited space, then only I will go for standing lines. I will not change direction. And here you can see my complete Tia kite is ready with light pink color. It's very good, Sonakshi. Lovely artwork. What, Madhav? What you want to say? See, if in your artwork or in your work, you showed this diya and this diya, it's okay. You can just exchange dialogue balloon. So it is not at all going to affect your artwork. So don't worry about that. Okay. So see, I completed pink here everywhere. I'm going to do, Valishri, I've checked yours. Now all of you, please focus on coloring now. Okay, instead of sending messages, focus on coloring now. This is red, pink. And why I will do these colors? Because I have started with this. For my character, Tia, I decided this to color. So, yes, the tail you can see is dark pink. And I will be making some circles, dots. Okay. I want to show some pattern. And I decided this pattern for my kite Tia. Circles. Okay, although yeah, they are of same color, not looking very bright, but yeah, it will add a texture to my work. So here I can see Tia is very happy, very confident, very grateful that now she can fly in sky. Green and purple, yes, you can try that, Tiana. Okay. Red, I will take red for making tongue. Okay. Yes. Continue and do it very neatly. You're not supposed to hurry. Okay. No, you're not supposed to hurry. Go do it very neatly, beautifully. And now the last here, the tail is left. Tail with orange is left. I will finish this also. And while making sky, because we are going to make sky in 3, and it is going to be of sky blue color, I will start my story. Okay. Kedar, I will just note it down. Okay. I will note down your suggestion. I will be making this orange. And in this scene number 3, Diya is leaving hands. Okay, now, you know what? You can dedicate this artwork to your best friend also. Okay, just give, this one will be your best friend. This will be you. And you can show how she helped you. So, now after this is last one is Tia. I will again take pink. Again, I'm showing you, I will start from corner. Okay, from here. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Continue, continue, and continue. Okay, yes. This ways. Small strokes, one direction, and standing lines. You can see, I will start story better because after completing this, we are going to make sky. Sky in this, the scene number 2, scene number 3, scene number 4. So that time I will be sharing the story because it's a long story. It does not finish here. It's a long story. I will start sharing that. Let's complete this Tia also. Yes, you can try any color, any color. Go in one direction. You can see I'm repeating every stroke 4 times. Look at mine. I'm doing with small strokes. See, no pressure on my color, but I'm repeating every stroke 4 times with no pressure. And when you do this phase, your coloring is looking very even. And when you pressurize your color, what happened? Dirty lines appear in your artwork. It spoils your artwork. So what you're supposed to do, you will be going for small strokes, one direction, and repeat every stroke 4 times with no pressure. Okay? Yes, continue. This is Tia. This is Tia, the scared one. Earlier she was scared. And afterwards she's flying, and finally she's giving message that if you are able to give hope in others' life, because she herself got hope from Dia. Dia gave hope. You can do it. I'm with you. I will hold your hands. So what she did after learning this best thing from Dia, what happened then? She started flying in sky. After taking help of Dia, after getting motivation from Dia, she started flying and started enjoying. Now she was not fearful of flying up in the sky. Okay. So what happened then when she was flying near a tree? She found a baby bird sitting in a nest alone. She was sitting alone and she was looking very sad. And what happened? Tia went close to that baby bird who was sitting alone. Okay. And was looking very sad. Tia asked, "Hey, my dear bird, you are looking very sad. What's your name?" That bird said, "My name is Tiana." Okay. So she smiled. "Okay, your name is Tiana. Do you know my name? My name is Tia." So she said, "Okay, but I'm very sad. I'm going to do pink circles. Now, pink dots. I will be making all around. All around. Because this is the texture we decided for our pink bird. You can make stripes, you can make checks, you can try multicolored, anything can be tried. Okay. So see, so what happened that she said, "Wow, see, my name is Tia, your name is Tiana. But tell me, my dear friend, why are you looking so sad?" So that bird said, "What can I say now? My all brother and sister, they just fly, but I'm fearful. I'm fearful if I will fly, although my feathers are ready to fly. My mama and papa told me that you can fly now, but I'm fearful if I will fly, if I will fall down, what will happen? I'm fearful. All my brother and sister, my siblings, they have already taken flight. And I'm not able to gather the courage to fly in sky. Okay. And this is making me sad. I don't have courage. So what happened? Show me now how much is done. Show. Beautiful. Great work. Shabash. Amazing. Amazing. I can see beautiful experiments of colors, and you believe me, it's looking great. It shows your creativity. Great work. Okay. So now I will start with sky. Take sky blue color because I will continue with story. Take sky blue color and I will make sky. Say this is for shop. So here, this is not sky. So I will not do in scene number 1, scene number 2, scene number 3, scene number 4. We will complete sky first. Okay, so take sky blue color and let's complete sky all around. From where you will start your sky? From the top. Yeah. Okay, Tiana. In our story also, this bird's name is Tiana. So Tiana was very sad, wanted to fly, but not having courage. And she was very much fearful. It happens sometimes we have fear of doing some work. So then what happened? That Tia said, "You know what, Tiana? Even I was very much fearful earlier that if I will fly in sky and someone will cut my thread, I will fall down. But my friend Dia gave me courage and hope. So you also don't worry. I will hold your hands. Don't worry. Come on, take a flight and hold my hands. And don't worry. You can do it. Yes, you can do it." And this ways, Tia started giving hope to Tiana bird. Okay, Tia kite gave hope and hold hands. I will hold your hands. Don't worry. We will fly together. Sky is so beautiful. Let's soar around. And this ways, Tia hold hands of Tiana. And Tiana bird started flying in sky. And once Tiana bird opened its feather, yes, she was able to fly. And she was flying and she was very happy to fly. Oh my God, the sky is so beautiful place to fly and move. I don't know why I was so fearful. I'm so happy. It's a great fun soaring in sky, and started laughing loudly. That bird, Tiana bird. Okay. So this ways Tia was able to share hope, able to give hope in life of Tiana. And then Tia said, "Ki now I'm going to leave your hands. Will you be able to fly alone?" So Tiana bird replied, "Yes, my dear friend. I'm very grateful because of you, because the courage and your inspiration, I'm able to fly. Now you can leave my hand." And slowly Tia kite leave hand, left hand of Tiana bird. Tiana bird was flying like she was crazy. She was enjoying soaring in sky a lot. She kept flying, flying, and flying. And suddenly she realized that she's thirsty. She decided to go near a river and to drink water. But the moment Tiana bird reached near water, what she observed? See, I completed sky here without changing direction. And as it's a sky, you can try lighter color, lighter tone. Can I see this scene number 3? How the coloring is done? It's going on. Continue. Okay, continue. Yes. Because we are going to complete sky in scene number 2, scene number 3, scene number 4. Okay. In 3 scenes, we are going to do sky blue color for completing sky. Okay. So now then what happened? Tiana bird reached near a river. And in river, when she was about to drink water, what she observed? A small tiny ant. Okay. Small tiny ant was struggling. She wanted to come out, but she was not able to. She was not able to face the forceful current of water. And she was losing hope. Please, someone, can you help? I'm dying and I'm not having power to come out. So what that Tiana bird did, she just said, "Oh, my dear friend ant, what's your name?" So the bird replied, "My name is Tunika." Okay, Tunika. First she said, "Tunika, you please don't give up hope. You can do it. Come on, keep trying. I will get a leaf for you, and I will put that leaf near you. You just climb on that leaf, and with my beak, I will drag that leaf, and we will come on the side. Okay, and you will be safe. You can do it. Come on, keep moving your hands. Otherwise, you will sink. You will die." You know? So the ant got motivation and courage and hope. She kept moving hands and legs. And by the time Tiana bird plucked a leaf from nearby tree. See, students, you will not change direction of coloring here also. So Tiana bird plucked a leaf from nearby tree and slowly kept it near that ant who was struggling to come out of water. And she kept motivating. "You can do it. You can do it. Come on, climb over that." That tiny ant who was very much tired tried to climb over that leaf which was floating near that small ant, which was kept by Tiana to save her. But ant was not having courage and power. She was so much tired that she was not able to climb over. But Tiana bird kept motivating. "You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Just one last effort. Pull yourself, push yourself to do it and climb over leaf. And I will drag the leaf and you will be safe." And finally, because continuously Tiana bird was giving hope to ant, ant climbed over that leaf. And then Tiana bird quickly dragged that floating leaf with beak and kept that leaf on the riverside, on the land. We don't need watercolors today, okay? We don't need watercolors. We will be doing it completely with plastic crayons. So see, my scene number 3 is also done. Sky is over. Now last scene, again sky. I will continue. So this ant was very much grateful. "My dear friend Tiana bird, Because of you today I'm alive. Otherwise, I would have given hope. So Tiana Bird said, if you really want to say thanks to Tia Kite. Tia Kite saved me and gave me this motivation. And because of her only, I'm reaching to you. So they both were thankful to Tia Kite and Tiana Bird. Then what happened that ant, when she was moving around on tree, what she observed that one hunter was aiming on bird Tiana. Okay, Tiana was busy eating sweet fruits, and after a few days, and after this is the incident of after a few days when Tiana saved ant. Okay, Tulika. So what she observed that when hunter was aiming Tiana bird, Tiana was busy eating sweet fruit. So ant decided, I will do something. Yes, I can do something to save my friend. And what she did, she went near that ant and cut the leg. Okay, pinched leg of Hunt so badly that he shouted and missed his aim. And this way, he saved the life of Tiana Bird. Okay, so when Tiana Bird came to know that the small ant and a Tunika Bird ant saved her, they both were very happy. Okay, see, I completed sky in scene number 2, scene number 3, scene number 4. You also continue. Okay, 1st July is Doctor's Day. Okay, I will note it down. Okay, yes. You can see recording in the chat box. Okay, chat box, there is recording. You will find recording of every class there. Yes, Kedar, I will note down your suggestion. Okay. Okay, now I want to check this work. Please, all of you, lift up your work. Show. Shabash. So scene number 2, scene number 3, scene number 4. Sky will be made in 3 scenes, 1, 2, and 3. Here also. Okay. Last scene also. Yes, here also. Yes, Priyanka. Last scene also. Okay. Now, see, you can do it afterwards also, Priyanka. Okay. So after doing this, let's come on scene number 1. This is the shop, kite shop. You know? So let's make kites with different colors. So I'm going to make this kite with my yellow ochre and brown color. You can try any. You can make them colorful. So I will continue with my story. Then what happened? That ant and bird, they became friends, and after that, ant started moving and wanted to reach to a village. You know? So when she was moving and reached village, she observed that everyone of village was panicking, was in pain, running and rushing at, here and there. So he stopped the child and asked, tell me what is happening in this village? Why everyone is rushing here and there? And why this is going on? What is going on in our village? See, I used yellow, ochre, and brown. I'm going to do orange in this triangular part. Okay, all kites will be of dark color. Let's complete. My second kite, I'm going to make it dark blue and shiny blue or light blue. Okay, this way you can try any color scheme. And in these kites, any color you can try, any. Okay. And here we will not show sky because these kites are not in sky. They are hanging on a wall, right? I will be doing shiny blue in half. And I will be doing yellow ochre in tail. Okay? You can try your own color scheme, your own patterns. It is your creativity, how you want to make it looking very creative. I'm going to use gray and black. Let's use gray. Gray is also a lovely color. Gray and black. Okay. So my third kite, I'm going to make with gray and black color. gray and black. Okay, this is. I will be completing this. I will be completing this and this also. Okay. Senior batch I'm going to take after this. Okay. So see, I completed all my kites with different colors, and I want to give green color to my wall. They are hanging on a wall. I will start from corner. Never start your coloring from center. I will start with standing lines. I have picked up shiny green. You can take light green or any other and go for small strokes, one direction. Make sure you will not change direction of your coloring and you will continue. So when this ant reached village, she asked, and she came to know from, you can take dark green also. She came to know from a child that a mad elephant enter in that village and is crushing everything. Okay, if some person is also coming in front of him, that elephant is crushing that person also in feet. They are under his feet, very heavy and powerful feet. And because of this, all villagers, just to save their lives, rushing here and there. Okay, so tiny ant decided he just to give happiness to others, to save lives of so many villagers. She decided that moment only that she will sacrifice her life to save. You know, one fact, elephant is so big, but one ant, if enter in trunk of elephant, can kill that elephant. And today, this small Tulika elephant, and she was thinking the same, that she will sacrifice her life and kill that elephant so that the whole village can be calm and everyone will be safe. And she did the same. She started moving towards in the direction where that elephant was running and rushing here and there. She reached there, and the moment she find opportunity, she enter the trunk of, she entered the trunk of elephant. Okay. And after entering there, she bite very strongly. That ant bite in the inside the trunk. Okay. And this made that elephant, that crazy elephant, that mad elephant very restless. Just to save his life, he started rushing here and there. Okay, and started sneezing. But elephant got stuck inside the trunk because that ant got stuck inside the trunk because she decided that she will sacrifice her life but save lives of many villagers. I will give hope in others' life. And she kept stucking inside the trunk, and finally that elephant died because of the small tiny ant Tulika. And when that elephant died, suddenly all villagers were surprised. But that young boy whom this Tulika was asking and saying, I will save everyone, he shared, this elephant has died because one ant sacrificed its life to save all of us. Okay. And they all praised Tulika, and this way is just to give hope in others' life, to save others' life. Without thinking even once, Tulika ant sacrificed her life. Okay. So what we learn from this comic, this story, that whenever and wherever you find opportunity of sharing, giving hope in others' life, don't miss that opportunity. If you can inspire someone with your words. Okay, you draw hanger also to color that also. Okay. You can, Sonakshi, you can color then that also. Okay. So what happened then? See, I will complete this. And green color on wall. See, I'm not changing direction anywhere. Okay, though the shop's wall color is green. And you can see it's about to get over. So, whenever you find, sometimes it happens in our school, our friend is not good at any subject, but you can give hope, you can do it. And at the place of making fun, many times it happens in school, if someone is weak at anything or not able to do, all students start making fun of that child. This is very bad. What we should do, we should become like Dia Kite. We should motivate. You can do it. Okay, this time if you are not successful, don't worry. We will help you. If you can help your friend in any ways, you can even help. And help always start from home. Okay, so sometimes your elderly people, ones like your grandma, grandpapa, they need your small help. You know, as they are very old, they can't walk even properly. They want your help for doing this work or that work. Very readily give your help. Okay, never refuse, because see, this ways you are collecting good fortune for yourself. See, I completed this shop's door wall with green and all. Can I see this? Show. Please show your comic. I'm eagerly waiting. Wonderful. Yes, many of you tried blue wall, green wall, colorful wall, hangers. Great. And very creative colors in Shabash. Wonderful. I will be showing very good, Beta. Continue. I'm waiting. So see, this drawing is having, this story is having many more scenes. If you want to complete this comic and want to add another scenes also, you can add. Then your comic will become a complete comic of at least 20 to 25 scenes. Okay, in which you will show that kite was flying to a tree and a bird was sitting on nest. She talked to her, that bird, and this ways you can continue this comic further. I will take black and brown color, black and brown, and I will complete head. Okay, head of Raghav, Gopal and Radhika, whatever the names are. Now see here, in this drawing, we learn one more thing. If you are elder, suppose you are elder brother or elder sister, take care of your younger one. Never demotivate him or her. And if you are the younger one, respect your elder one. Okay, whenever your elder brother or elder sister need you, be there to help him or her. Okay, as you can see in our drawing, say I'm going to make Radhika's hair with dark brown. Small standing lines, continue, continue, and continue. Yes, we will definitely cover it up, okay? Chaitra, I will note it down and we will definitely cover it up, okay? See, I completed here. Now I'm going to do yellow ochre color in t-shirt of this brother who is teaching a younger sister. Younger sister is having no hope that she will be able to learn this. But he's saying, no, don't worry. I will teach you. I will guide you. Do with me and you can learn everything. I know that this ways keep motivating. Your words of motivation can change one life. Don't forget this. And your words of demotivation can also change one's life. To always be a person who is having very inspiring and respectful words for others. Okay, never be a person who is demotivating and criticizing others. Okay, so I will be doing this blue and yellow ochre stripes in dress of Radhika. Okay, I just tried stripes here. I'm going to do skin color in hands. Yes, I've noted down, Adrika. I've noted down your suggestion. Now, all of you, focus on your artwork. Stop messaging. Okay? Stop messaging and focus on your artwork. Definitely, just Jasmine, I will think of your suggestion. Okay? So see this ways, I will complete. Okay? Hands with skin color of Radhika and his brother. Yes, Pokemon is also there in syllabus. I'm just planning a very creative way of things, showing that. Okay, see, I completed this also. And the time of bushes. I will be making bushes with scribbling. Okay, how will I scribble? I will take dark green, I will start scribbling. Okay, see, I'm doing scribbling. So this way you will be completing this. Acha, what material is required for next class? I will be giving you the list of that with dark green, and if you want to add little light green, you can add scribbling with light green also to show bushes. Okay, and if you want to add some pattern, see, I made pattern stripes of dark blue and golden, and here I'm going to make pattern checks. I will be making checks in t-shirt of Gopal. Okay, so you can try any kind of design. Textures add life. It just add creativity, creative involvement of yours. Okay. Okay, now I want to check your work first. Can I see your work? Yes, lift up your files and show how it's looking. Shabash, it's looking so colorful. And here I can see wall in Priyanka's drawing. Wall is colorful, rainbow colors. That's great. Beautiful, bright colors. Myra, she made colorful bird kites. Here, pink and orange is looking great. Wonderful. Amazing. Great work. Okay, now I will be completing my dialogue balloons. Yes, yes, Jasween, very good. Navedito, very good. Okay, now I will be taking sketch pen. You can take sketch pen or you can simply take your plastic crayon also. Okay, you can take even plastic crayons. And what I will be doing, I will be starting first, show thumbs up. You all have done this? I will give the list of material. Those who want me to wait for them, they can show thumbs down. They can show thumbs down. I will wait for them. Okay, fine. So let's complete dialogue balloons. Okay, just to make your dialogue balloons a little more appealing, I will give outlines with orange. I have brush pens, so I will be using a very contrast color. And very carefully, I will move in my dialogue balloon. Okay, and how to write dialogue? See, I will be showing you. This is description box, okay? So this way is your dialogue balloon will be highlighted. Don't fill color inside, okay? Inside you just leave it white because on white, your writing will be clear, your dialogues will be easy to read. Here also. Here also. So be a beacon of hope, okay? Wherever and whenever you find opportunity that you can share, give hope in others' life, you can help someone. Be always there and start this from your home, okay? Start it with your mom, dad, your grandparents, your younger brother, your elder brother, you know, your friends of your apartment and your neighbors. Start with them. Be cooperative and motivating for everyone. Never use discouraging language. No, it's very bad to use this kind of language. And see, my comic is almost completed. This is the description box. And how will you write dialogue? See this ways. This ways. Two kites were talking to each other. See number 1 in this box. We're showing what is going on. Two kites were talking to each other. Okay, so see Tiana, what is she saying? My friend dear, I'm afraid of heights. I don't want to fly in sky. And she's saying. So this ways you will write in dialogue below. So, and whenever you feel that I don't know the exact word, take help of your ma'am and take help of your mom. Okay. So this ways you will find that will be lots of improvement in your vocabulary. Okay. Yes. I just want all of you to note down the material for next class. Huh? Come on, all of you note down material for next class. Next class, we are going to learn unicorn and pencil shading. Okay, unicorn we will be learning with colors, but rest everything we will. Chalo, note down unicorn and she's saying, Tia is saying, my friend Dia, I'm afraid of heights. I don't want to fly. So what Dia is saying, no, my dear, don't worry, you can do it. I will be with you. I will hold your hands. Don't worry. Okay. And it is a fun flying in the sky. You can write dialogues in your own language like Hindi. So Dia is saying कि नहीं तुम्हें डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं मैं तुम्हारे साथ रहूंगी मैं तुम्हारा हाथ पकड़ लूंगी हम साथ में आकाश में उड़ेंगे बड़ा मजा आएगा then finally here you can say Raghav is saying कि राधिका आज चलो हम पतंग उड़ाते हैं राधिका is saying भैया मुझे तो पतंग उड़ानी ही नहीं आती तो is saying कि no I will teach you. So this ways you can write dialogues in Hindi also, Tamil, any other language. Okay. Acha, now note down material. First is HB pencil. See, this kind of pencil is called HB. Mine is 6B pencil. You can take 4B, 5B, 6B. See, it is written A6B. Yeah. And a 6B. So you can take 4B or 5B, 3B. See that this kind of pencils are having thick beak and darker tone. Okay, this kind of pencils are called shading pencil. When any one is required. You are not supposed to purchase the range of pencils. No, only one pencil is enough. Second, okay, pencil, earbud, okay, and colors, your plastic crayons, these and pencil eraser. This is the material required for next class because next class we will be able to draw and learn the drawing of unicorn first. Okay. 3D pen art we will be learning very soon. Okay. So this is all about our today's artwork. And before winding up class, I want to check your work. Will you please lift up your works and show? And see, today I continued story. This story does not finish here. It's a long story. You can even make it more big. Very beautiful. Amazing. You can dedicate this artwork to your best friend also. You know? You can give name to this kite, the name of your friend to your kite, and you can develop a comic for your family. You can dedicate a comic to your mom. You know, this ways you can just make small stories. Okay, but go for simple stories and simple implementation. Crayons are also required next class. Okay, we need crayons also. So this is all about our today's artwork, and hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's class and today's story. If yes, can I see a buddy wali smile with a great thumbs up? Yes. And next class, be ready for learning unicorn with pencil shading. Okay? Unicorn is a magical and beautiful. We all love learning unicorn, right? So we will learn that next class. And pencil shading. You know, you all will enjoy. This is a very new kind of technique with pencil. Hopefully you will enjoy that. So with lots of blessings, I will wind up class. May God bless you. HB pencil. If you're going to purchase pencil, then purchase 6B. And if you have any available, any pencil available, HB pencil, you can use that. Okay. So chalo, with lots of blessings, I will wind up. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Lots of blessings.